Site audits are an awesome tool for us because they're really a roadmap builder. We often get clients who are very unsure of what is the next step for them, both in the customer experience and in the technology. In a situation where they feel like they've maybe peaked with the revenues online, or they're not quite sure where to take their site from a functional perspective, we're able to look at competitors, we're able to look at what the market is doing and make sure that we're giving those tips, tricks. Many of our clients have skilled colleagues. They're experts in this area. We're filling in the gaps for them and ensuring that they understand where to put their priorities. Certainly, we're going to get them faster together than them doing it on their own. 4 to 6 week process. And what that ultimately gives them is not only a roadmap for improvements, we also add the criticality of those requirements or those issues and recommendations. That's really helpful for them to set up what do we want to do this quarter, next year. We will absolutely get them there faster with the UX Site Audit.